Today we're making Peruvian Manjar Blanco Caramelized Pecan Brownie Bars. This makes 12 servings and takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes from start to finish. Let's bake. First, let's check the ingredients. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, plus 1 teaspoon for the pan. 6 ounces dark chocolate, chopped for easy melting. 3/4 cup granulated sugar for sweetness and shine. 1/4 cup packed light brown sugar for depth and moisture. 3 large eggs at room temperature for a fudgy texture. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for aroma. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour to bind the batter. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder for rich chocolate flavor. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt to balance sweetness. 1 cup Manjar Blanco, the Peruvian-style Dulce de Leche for our swirl. 2 tablespoons evaporated milk to loosen the manjar. 1 cup pecan halves for crunch. 1/3 cup granulated sugar to caramelize the pecans. 1 tablespoon water to start the caramel. A pinch of salt, about 1 gram, to season the caramelized pecans. 1/2 teaspoon flaky sea salt, about 2 grams. Optional for finishing. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 8-inch square pan with parchment and grease the paper with 1 teaspoon of butter. Toast 1 cup or 100 grams of pecan halves in a dry skillet over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant. Set them aside. In a small saucepan, add 1/3 cup, 67 grams of sugar, and 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of water. Cook over medium heat without stirring until deep amber, about 5 to 7 minutes. Take the caramel off the heat. Stir in the toasted pecans and a 1 gram pinch of salt to coat. Spread them onto parchment, separate the pieces, and cool for 10 minutes. Roughly chop the caramelized pecans. Reserve half for the batter, and the other half for the topping. Melt 1/2 cup, 115 grams of butter with 6 ounces, 170 grams of dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over gently simmering water. Stir until smooth and remove from the heat. Whisk in 3/4 cup, 150 grams of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup, 50 grams of light brown sugar until the mixture looks glossy. Whisk in 3 large eggs, one at a time. Then add 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of vanilla extract and whisk until smooth. Sift in 1/2 cup, 64 grams of flour, 1/4 cup, 30 grams of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon, 3 grams of fine salt. Fold just until combined. Fold in half of the chopped caramelized pecans. Then spread the batter evenly into the prepared pan. Warm 1 cup, 300 grams of Manjar Blanco with 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of evaporated milk until pourable, about 20 to 30 seconds on low heat or in the microwave. Spoon the manjar mixture over the batter and swirl with a knife to create a marble effect, keeping away from the edges. Sprinkle the remaining caramelized pecans on top and add 1/2 teaspoon, 2 grams of flaky sea salt if you like. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 28 minutes until the center is just set and a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. Cool the pan on a rack for 1 hour. Lift out using the parchment and slice into 12 bars. Finish with a light sprinkle of flaky salt if you skipped it earlier, then serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved these Peruvian brownie bars, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.